Hello and welcome to Hybiz News. This is Chaitanya Muddam. Shri Om Prakash Mishra, Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Hyderabad Circle, unfurled the tricolor flag at SBI local head office, Koti, Hyderabad, to mark the celebrations of 72nd Republic Day. All staff and their family members participated in the event. The event was celebrated with rendering of patriotic songs by the staff. Shri Mishra said that we all cherish this memorable day as India became a free nation on August 15, 1947. It declared itself a sovereign, democratic and republic state with the adoption of Constitution on January 22, 1950. Today, we all feel proud to be the part of independent India endowed with rich cultural values and traditions. Our salute to the armed forces and soldiers who are maintaining strict vigil and protecting our country. Shri Mishra informed that we all went through a tough phase due to the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. Our country has played an exemplary role in the global fight against COVID-19, which has been recognized and appreciated widely throughout the world. In this connection, Shri Mishra felicitated all the COVID warriors of the bank who had given their best during these difficult times. Shri Mishra recalled the efforts put in by bank staff in extending COVID-19 by partaking in COVID relief measures such as distribution of ration and food to the needy, providing medical equipment, ventilators and PPE kits to the government hospitals. Uninterrupted banking services is extended in spite of the challenges posed. On this momentous day, Shri Mishra arranged for distribution of food packets, snacks to the destitute and unprivileged section of the people living at old age homes, means elder care, Rampalli, Nacharam and slum located at Jiyaguda, Puranapul, Hyderabad, to continue the philanthropic activities of the bank. Shri Mishra, while conveying the Republic Day greetings, thanked all its customers for their continued support and trust for the bank. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.